to show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and password. Okay, let's get started. First, click on Google. Click on permissions. Now click on location. Click on Chrome browser. Click on permissions. Now click on location. Now click on Google Play Store. You have to download and install Firefox nightly photographers. Now open browser. Click on Google. Now click on sign in. Open recovery page. Now type on email. Click on next. Now click on forgot password. Now click on try another way. Simply now click on try another way. Open phone settings. Click on Google. Now tap on three dot icon. Click on help. Tap on search help. Now type on Google Assistant. Access control activity in your account. Tap on it. Scroll down. Now scroll down. Click on Google account. Scroll down. Tap on privacy. Scroll down. Click on first option, introduction. Scroll down. Now click on contract. Click on account recovery. Recover or get back into your Google account. Now tap on recover your account. Open redirectory Firefox nightly photographers. Type on recovery email. Now click on next. Tap on update password. Create a strong password. Now type on new password. Type on confirm password. Recover your Gmail account successful easily. Now tap on